Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Yebo, sanapha. Sele nina. Nisazikhumbula into ebenizithetha izolo. I posted a video, I think a day ago, saying that there are fractures kunje kwamashe nomashe. Ndacinga enye ingoma yesiXhosa ethi he hayo kuyaliwe msinam. He hayo yenisana lam. Ukho lokhu manje sithi apha ekhaya ndimo mdala. Athi he hayo ndathi ya khona umdala ngoku. Khona umdala emzini wami ngoku. Nathi nayi ndoda nolwimi asayibona hey ungumfazi tontoni yento niyakhumsha nokhumsha. Niyayithetha i-English ukhona nje kupha kwi-comments nani niyozifundile. Uthi hey wena uthi stop promoting violence. Nithi how violence, such a big word. Hayi sengisonqena nje uphendula. Sengisonqena nje uphendula ngoba nina anidlali nina niyathukisa futhi niyayiphatha niba niphethe imikhonto sesweka nophendula asizithulele. Zavela ke indaba namhlanje nithini. We are never wrong and asixoka unoxoka siyenze thina lonto asiyenze hayi. Ana mawubona umuntu onxibe lento kanje ube uyaza kaxoki. Yabona uMangobs ushwe ngamabomu pha besitshilo. Zavela ke izinto namhlanje. Kwa uThemos uphakela kulanto yakhe into lento yakhe la press briefing wathi hayi yena ufonelwe ngo2 ngifonelwe ngo2 ngifonelwa abantu abathathu ngagoloza ngenqaba wasema ukuthi kufona lo wesithathu umuntu engimhlonipha kakhulu waseParliament. Ndathi waseParliament ndathi noba ngupresident weIFP uHlapsi ngubani konje ngubhuti Mkhuleko Hlengwa. Dasibuza ndithi man khona ukubetha amanzi apha. Bathi ke sizothula ngoba ayiyonto yethu asizothini. But umfazi womuntu aphinda athi kwayena hayi umubi upresident ebiza umuntu awu invite nanoma ubani. Ngithi hawo wena noma ubani kanjani manje because kaloku wena uthe inokubana awunofonela umfazi womuntu ebusuku phofu bufonelwe ngo2 emini wena kodwa uthi wena awunomfonela ebusuku kodwa uthi kwa wena mina siya thina noma ngobese siyahamba sibe nemhlangano yethu secret lapho esikhuluma khona izinto ezisecret. Ngithi uyakwazi bane secret meetings nomfazi womuntu but awukwazi umfonela. Cathi ucinga sedomo wena singaba seWestkopisi asingaba seWestkopisi thina. That phofu uthi awu invite nanoma ubani kodwa indlu igcwele ithe. I'm sure bekuzinduna kuzintoni kungongizwe kungozoswa abathatha icontent yonke lonto. Fukuthwa nomntana wakhe bephaya. Kodwa yena uthe ngeke abize umnakabe angibizi nengane yami ngiyibizi kodwa kuthiwe yakhe bephayana ingane. Ngubani ke ngokodumo kule equation. Uthi ke pose ke namhlanje uzoso athi mina indaba bengeke ngiziyeke futhi angeke ngikhuphi iaudio lahlekile kulama video ale meeting. Athi uJacinta mayiphendula athi wezoso ngakulingi uniphambanise ngalingi yale ngoba uzobathi angilinga wena angilinga phaka Uyangiqina. I'm sure no Mangopsi uyamazi mos xa sevutha uMangopsi uyamazi mina ndiyamazi sike sathatha. Athi nithi eziphi ezi-30 nithetha ngaso. Nina mos benithani ninamatshi nge-30 futhi babetshilo bathi bona banamatshi nge-30 abantu mabathatha iflegi bazibhabhise emoyeni. Mabe yi-1 million bafuthi. Ngoku uJacinta yena uthi hayi ngoba lento is getting out of hand useqokelela abantu babeke endaweni eyi-1 ndathi ya zikulawo speakers zikhala left right and center. So yiloo nto ke ngoku inje of which sasitshilo sathi that is a political ploy. It is a political ploy. There's nothing genuine there. Sathi kuni, and I want nina mantombazana ase particularly pha kwelaphondo nisuka kulo Eastern Cape kunika nixolise kumadyani because ngoku amadyani ngesilwa imfazwe zenkatha. We're going to be used because we see the very same thing yokuthi this thing was used to promote amabutho kalatata ngubani kaPhakela. You must go and say sorry for saying akho madoda Eastern Cape because you were going to entangle amadyani kwinto angayaziyo. And I love the sobriety yamadyani because they refuse to be influenced by mabangene yonke lanto. Why is sitsho njalo? Number 1, Inkatha Freedom Party is in the GNU. uPhakela uMthakathi throughout has been campaigning for Inkatha Freedom Party. Udata ufikile ulo because now ulona unto kubani uthi uPhakela is campaigning for Inkatha and bona babaxela babazothatha lambuso waseKZN bawunika Inkatha that this is political, and we've been saying kuba it's political. There's nothing about mabahambe whatsoever here. Kudlalwa nje abantu bayazipromote bayaziphakamisa because right now all people are claiming i-victory hayi ndimo wenze imatch kwaThintinthi ngamabutho akwaZulu ntontoni yonke lonto. So funani yoxolisa nina now ke ngoku into ni balance aba le equation. Ungizwe imember ye-ANC, uPhakela imember ye-IFP ku-GNU, uRamaphosa i-president ye-GNU. I don't know the contents of the meeting, but nendingaxela yona is that in the meeting izinto ebekuthina ngazo pha they were given a stern warning, or they went there to explain themselves and to recuse themselves, of which if bebezirecusile kuyo yonke lanto, it simply means uJacinta was gonna be left boiling alone because uthi uyathi uJacinta uthi the plot was to get her arrested. I don't know basentshilo party unto uzoso uthi yena iaudio ilahleki yona nje, but the ploy was there. So ngumdlalo we-GNU lo bani uboni mdlalo we-GNU. And I think into engakhange baphathe kakuhle oPhakela was that thing yoba unto uJacinta hamba ayothetha kwiplatform ye-MKP axela abantu bamabenze ntoni nge-4 kaNovember, which turned the whole thing to be a political something. So I think kulapho ke ngoku into zathi kakhulu, and I don't see peace coming. That is a betrayal. Amadoda anje, they did this to umama. They did it. I'm not saying Jacinta is like umama. Umama fought for something very clear, very deliberate, very totally different from what is happening currently. But all I'm saying is men will always seek to lead you even when you start something, because uyabuya uPhakela uthi Phakela press briefing bengazoyeka umfazi ayenze lento eyedwa athama futhi kuthena kwafuthi amabutho wakathi umfazi bekumele ukuthi kuthiwa intoni umfazi bekumele ukuthi uthini ayeke izinto amadoda athathe because abafazi ba-emotional. Ndathi yeah, ngathi yebo, like yeah, we don't lie. Yabona thina asixoki. We don't do that. We give you proper clear analysis.
I feel like as women, it's high time we understand that you are not special. Like, you are not special in any way, because Ujacinta should have known that Upagalam Tagati, that's what he believes in. He believes that men should lead. He said it on public, he said it on social media. We saw the videos. Other women even reacted to those videos to say, something's off here with this man and we have to stop it. But she still continued working with him. I don't know what she was thinking, but we knew that we would get here. And that's why I'm not even surprised that Pagalam Tagat will say no, because women are emotional, women use emotions. So, because that's what he believes in. He believes that a woman cannot lead, which is very, very wrong. It's a very bad mindset, by the way. Anyone can lead. Anyone can be a leader. Just like Ujacinta, she started this March and March alone. Yes, they were not there. They were not there when she started her own program. They only joined later on, and they came in as if they want to help her. And here we are today. Here we are. We saw Pagalam Tagati shaming this other women. We saw the video, guys, and the video was not really good to even watch. Yes, he was talking about I'm a pay sleep, women that have pay sleeps, they give men problems, and such things. When a king is talking, a woman is not even allowed to stand up or to even look at him. Guys, we knew we would get here. We knew somehow we will get here. It's just that we never expected it to be this soon. But I thank God that they have revealed themselves. Now even Ujacinta knows the people that she's dealing with. So yeah, I'm sure she's very smart. So she will know how to take in all these things that are happening right now.